Okay, so today, this is how you can make a squishy. Here are the stuff that you need. Paper, scissors, tape, and stuffing. First, make sure your paper is this way, not this way, this way. Now, we're going to fold our paper in half, like this. And now, let's get our tape and get a pretty long piece. Put the piece on the table, and then get another one, but a smaller one. This is what they should look like. This one should look this long. If you can't see, I'll put it here. And then the smaller piece is gonna look like this long. With our long piece, we're gonna tape it to the side where we folded our paper, and then we're gonna put the other tape folded to the other side. But when we do it, make sure it's not open like this. Make sure it's closed. Okay, now we're gonna tape our other side on. Okay, now this should look like this, and you can't open it anymore. Then let's use our small piece and make sure our bag is this way, not this way. This way. Then you can take your smaller piece to go on the bottom. It's fine if you go on the top, but go on the bottom and flip it around and do the same thing what we did to the long tape. Now we should have something that looks like this, that you can put your arms through, not all the way through, like this. Okay, now let's flip to one of the front sides, and then let me write something and I'll show you what you should write. Actually, I'll tell you what to write when I'm done. You're gonna write cute squishy, like this, and then I don't know how to draw squishy, so I'm just gonna draw a square and then a question mark inside the square. When you're done with that, write what under the box, and then could you get, and then question mark after. Okay, and then it should look like this. I know it's kind of weird when you look, but for me it looks good for me. But let's leave this aside. Now let's get another paper. We're gonna need to use our scissors now. Cut the paper this way, not this way, this way. And wait, no, cut it this way, not this way, this way. Cut it straight like this. Okay, so now you should have two halves like this. since we cut it apart, we're only gonna need 1/2. And then with this one, and then with our half, we're gonna cut a little square. Okay, it should be the size like this. Okay, and then we're gonna fold it into another half. And then if you have any leftovers, just cut the leftovers off. Make sure to do the other side too if it has leftovers. Okay, and then we're gonna get 2 pieces of tape like we did last time. Actually, no, I'm sorry. I forgot about this other part. First, we need to use we need a red marker, and then I'll be right back to get something. Okay, and then you need this little shade of color, this shade of color, this shade of color, and then our red shade of color. Okay, let's start with our green shade. If you're using Sharpies, go get something to put under your paper. Okay, then let's start with our with this shade of green. Okay, let's do a little draw at the bottom like this. Okay, and then with this shade of green, draw some lines inside the thing where it is, the line that we just drew, like this. And then go back to this color, this shade of green, and then color in the box that we have drawn. And with the other shade of green that you used, you can go over the lines that we drew with the other shade of green. Okay, now let's get our red shade and then draw a triangle up here. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to show you what it looks like when you're done on the bottom. Like this. That's what the bottom looks like. And then this is what the triangle looks like. Okay. And then let's get this shade of green. And let's make 2 eyes. And then the smile. Like this. And then get our red again, and then color that in. And with the smiley face, you can go over that with your red too. Okay, so it should look like this now. And then now we're gonna need our tape. And then do what you did for the other bag. Get 2 tape pieces. Okay, first we're going to use our long one and then tape it on the long side like this. Tape it right here, and then do the same thing that you did to the other bag. And then we're going to use our smaller tape to put at the bottom of the watermelon. Put the smaller tape at the green part of the watermelon. Like this, okay. This is what it should look like. And then now we're gonna need our stuffing. Let's put some stuffing inside of our watermelon thing. That's gonna be turned into a squishy right now. Okay, then we're gonna get another piece of tape. Just a small one. Okay, then we're gonna close this with our tape. Now we have our squishy. Now we're gonna need this bag again and put our squishy inside. And then at the beginning when we added our thing to make our squishy, use that to make a small piece and cut a small piece like this. Okay, then make sure the sides like this, and then fold it in half like this. On the front, spell you got. Then get the back. Hold on, take out your squishy. And then we're gonna put a heart, common, and then a heart, rare, a heart, epic, and then a heart, legendary. On the back of this bag, write this at the back. It should be at the back, heart common, heart rare, heart epic, heart legendary. And then you can color in the hearts if you want. And I forgot to tell you, you can do whatever design you wanted on our squishy. So you can put common, rare, epic, or legendary on the inside of this. You can put any one you said on the back of the bag. I'm gonna do epic. Okay, and then now we're gonna put the squishy inside here, and then and then you got whatever one I'd put at big heart, and then put that inside the bag. And if you want to make one more thing for this you can, but I'm gonna be done with mine, so I'm gonna tape mine up at the top of the bag, get a pretty long one, but not too long. Then tape the top, and then do the same thing that we did with the squishy. Perfect. Now you have a cute squishy slime bag. Hope you like this video. Bye.